put your hand behind and put the hood up.
Go really slowly.
Perfect.
A short video on the dangers of the Thames. First one about boat accidents. Luckily there's very few boat accidents on the Thames.
The river environment's a lovely place to be. It's a great place to spend time. It just looks so inviting, and especially with alcohol or other distractions, peer pressure, certain illnesses, it can drag people away from the safety of shore, and very quickly the story will unfold and doesn't end well. There's tides that will take you under within 2 minutes of your body not being able to deal with cold water shock, and then the likelihood of you coming up, it's not going to happen, to be honest.
In short, you don't want to go swimming in the Thames, otherwise you get caught in the tide. This is crazy. This chap jumps off Tower Bridge and into the Thames. As he comes over, he passes out.
One of the biggest dangers of going overboard is the immediate effects to the body of hitting the water. It's called cold water shock, and it's by far the biggest cause of death in marine accidents. It doesn't matter how strong, fit, thin, fat, old or young you are, it could well happen to you.
Well, the cold water very quickly makes the skin temperature drop, and you get some dramatic responses. Your heart rate shoots up, blood pressure shoots up, but most important of all, you lose control of your breathing. You start to hyperventilate or overbreathe, and you can't hold your breath anymore.
Using the RYA Survival Pool and an unsuspected member of the public. 1, 2, 3.